How to use EaseUS promo codes to save money on softwares. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about EaseUS and how you can buy this software and save money. So having said that, let's jump into the video. Now EaseUS is basically a website where they have multiple different softwares that you can use. So they have quite a lot of softwares. So here you have data recovery. These are all the data recovery or data related softwares. Then we have partition managers. Then we have backup and restore. Multimedia is where they have the most. They've got screen recorders, screenshot, online screen recorders, video editors, video downloaders, voice wave, which is their voice changing softwares. They also have AI photo editing. They also have vocal removers and AI voice recorders as well. Utilities, where you have all these different options like transfer products, PDF, iPhone utilities, and more products over here. Then you have support. So you can go ahead and get started with whatever you want. And it's pretty simple. And it's not free. There is a pricing plan, and there is also a temporary free trial that you can go ahead and use, and just use the software in general and see if you like it or not. So make sure you check the link in the description below for the link to the website where you can go ahead and sign up, along with some promo codes and other offers that you can avail and save money. So here, click on sign in, and I'm going to sign in over here. And if you don't have an account, click on sign up and you can get started with that. Here you can go ahead and get started. Since I already have an account, I'm going to go ahead and log in. So catch you guys in a sec. All right, so now that we've logged in, we should be good to go. And here you've got your special offers that you can go ahead and purchase, and you should be good to go. If not, you can just simply come over here and purchase one of the softwares over here. So for example, if I scroll down here, you've got the family bundle, right? We can buy that. And by clicking on the buy now button, we can just simply go ahead and buy this by either, PayPal or Unit Pay or whatever type of payment method that's available if you want. And again, if you click the link in the description below, you will be able to avail special offers that'll help you save a bunch of money. So it's pretty simple. You can go ahead and buy these softwares individually. So for example, if I just wanted to buy the screen recorder, I'll just simply click on this one, and I can just simply click on buy now. Just select one of these offers. Like this one is monthly, this one is yearly, and this one is business. So you can just simply click on buy now, and then you can just simply go ahead and fill this form out, buy it. You should be good to go. And if you have a discount coupon, as I said before, you can apply them over here. If you go ahead and click the link in the description, you can find those codes over here. You can apply them and save a bunch of money. So it's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.